Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, July 31, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, July 31, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 31, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, July 31, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for July 31, 2025, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, July 31, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.